Hi there, students. Uxorious. Uxoriously. The adverb. Uxorious is an adjective. Uxoriousness. Okay, this is a really interesting formal word. It means somebody who shows too much love for their wife, or somebody who is over submissive to their wife. So, if you look at husbands, the one who is most clearly more uxorious than all the rest is probably the one who's having an affair with his secretary. Okay, so uxorious. Being excessively fond of your wife, or at least showing that in public. Yeah, maybe it's true, maybe it's not. This also has this idea of being excessively submissive, doing everything she says, or being excessively dependent on your wife. Okay, so this is the idea of uxorious. Maybe a person who dotes on them or is irrationally fond of their wife or irrationally submissive as well. That's the idea of it. So he doted on her uxoriously. Yeah, he was a most uxorious character. Yeah, his uxoriousness amazed everyone. So with this uxorious, we've got doting or submissive, over submissive, over fond of one's wife, and that's the idea of this word uxorious. This is a formal literary word. Where would I use it? Definitely not in a semi-formal, in an informal conversation. In a semi-formal conversation, probably not as well. Use it in a semi-formal or formal writing. I think that's where you'd use it. I think if you use it in a conversation, many native speakers are just not going to know what it means. Okay, so his uxorious attitude made me worry for his sanity. Okay, so uxorious, being overly fond or showing being overly submissive to your wife, yeah, being completely henpecked, but being a doting husband at the same time. Let's see. As to origin, this word comes from Latin, uxorious, of a wife, belonging to a wife. And that's the submissive bit, from uxor, wife in Latin. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Uxorious, uxoriously, uxoriousness.